Hey, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my email cash funnel review and $1,997 bonus. Now, if you are not using email marketing in your online business, you're missing out because first of all, it's a great asset to have. You can email your list whenever you want. It's instant traffic on demand. Obviously, this is traffic that converts really well, and obviously you can build it in any niche. So this is a great asset. Any online marketer will tell you that the best thing that they ever did is actually build an email list. Okay, but with that being said, you need to know how to do it, and you need to have the proper funnels, and you need to set it up in a correct way so all of your emails don't go to spam. Okay, so email cash funnel is actually a done for you email funnel that can make you up to $4,000 to $5,000 per month, and that's what Mark is actually making with this. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this email cash funnel review. And as you can see, this is the sales page. It says email cash funnel. What if you had access to the exact email cash funnels we used to generate over $4,696.86 per month, cents per month? And as you can see, all the proof is right here. So scrolling down, here's the proof. So obviously they are promoting products from JVZoo, from Warrior Plus, and actually Mark is sending me tons of affiliate sales to my products that I sell as a vendor. So I know that these guys are 100% legit. Okay, so we got Colin, Mark, and Anthony. These are the three guys behind this new product. So scrolling down here, obviously gonna get some bonuses from them. 30 days money back guarantee as always. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys are offering, and the cool thing is that it will cost you less than $10, and with the early bird it will be $7, so a crazy low price on this one. So that's essentially it when it comes to the sales page. Let's check out the inside of the members area, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see on the top right here, we have the basic member, copy and paste member, gold member, done for you launch promotions. These three are OTOs. Okay, we'll talk about the OTOs in a second. And the basic member, as you can see, first of all we have video training. So we have video training step one. So let me just show you exactly how this looks like, and then we will go through the rest. So step one, we have 5 videos right here. Then step two, we have another video right here, and you have all the links that are needed. Then we have step three, as you can see, another 5 videos, and step 4, as you can see, we have additional 4 videos. So extensive video training, but a part of this video training you are getting traffic training. That's for solo ads. So obviously you can use solo ads to build your list or not. It's totally up to you. This is just additional training. Another 2 videos right here. Then we have a checklist, also an ebook. So that's the checklist. We have an ebook page, and we also have audio training. So if you want to listen to this while you're running or going to work or whatever, you can actually download this as an audio file. And we have some bonuses as well. So you're getting all of this for less than $10. Okay, pretty crazy. And again, you are actually getting access to the exact done for you funnels that these guys are using in their online business. Okay, so that's everything that you're getting. And again, now let's go through all of the upsells. Okay, so the pricing, as you can see, again, it will be $9.95 when email cash funnel actually goes live, and then the price will be going up after the initial launch period. But keep in mind, early bird is $7, so make sure to show up as soon as it will be going live. I'm going to tell you exactly when it goes live in a second. Then audio number 1, we have $27, and this is copy and paste done for you campaigns. So everything you need is inside the main product, but if you want these campaigns done for you, this is OTO number 1. So in the main product they show you the campaigns, okay, and OTO 1 they actually give you the campaigns, so you can just copy and paste them. So that's OTO number 1. OTO number 2, $47, and as you can see, this is the gold membership. So this is a must-have for anyone who struggles with email marketing, perfect for newbies. So this will include additional training on how to get your emails inboxed, how to use correct sender email, how to improve your open rates, how to write powerful subject lines, email openings, the launch a promotional method, a bunch of additional resources when it comes to email marketing. So that's the gold edition, $47, and the last OTO number 3, $97. And this is, as you can see, copy and paste monthly launch promotion. So obviously these guys make money every single month doing affiliate marketing promotions, and if you want to get their exact email marketing promotions every single month, that's $97. So these are the OTOs. As you can see, OTOs are always optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But maybe if you want the done for you package or the monthly option, then this is something that you can definitely consider. Now let me show you all of my bonuses, and before I do, let me mention to you that email cash funnel goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on April 4th. So keep in mind, at 9 a.m. Eastern on April 4th, it will be $7, and then the price will start going up to $9.97, and after that, after the launch, the price will go up even more. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, and these bonuses are about building your list in 3 different ways. Okay, so obviously you need to build your list, you need traffic to send to a squeeze page to build your list, and with these free bonuses you're going to see exactly how to do it. I'm also going to give you my own course on building a buyers list. Okay, very useful and helpful when it comes to any email list. So buyers list ninja is what you're getting. Blaze, this is my case study on free traffic from Facebook. So it's a W's of the Day awarded course. Flip Me, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic and additional plugins and software, Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IASK, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code Call to Action. So that's a total of 17 bonuses, but on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means that this is a total of $1,997 in real world value. Okay, so guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog. This will include the bonuses and the funnel and this sum up right here. So just to sum up this email cash funnel review, you're going to be building an email list, and an email list means free traffic on demand whenever you need it or want it. It's 100% beginner friendly. They show you the exact done for you funnels. Obviously, you're getting video training, tutorials, cheat sheets, and ebooks, and even audio files. Silly low price of less than $10, guys. The amount of information and the amount of value that you're getting for less than $10 is crazy here. And if you want to start making real money online, you need to use email. Okay, SEO and YouTube and Facebook and all of these other tools are great, but if you also have a list that you can email at any point, that's where you're making the big bucks. Okay, what I don't like about email cash funnel, the only thing that I can think of is that you will need to pay for an autoresponder. Okay, but with that being said, you can start with a free account for the first 30 days, then you can start paying like $20 a month. So this is an additional expense, but trust me, you will make 10 times if not 100 times the investment for your autoresponder back. So you will have to pay for it, but this is something that this is an investment. Okay, like anything else, like a website, or you're actually creating a real asset. So that's the only negative in quotes thing that I could think about. And again, 9 a.m. Eastern on April 4th is when email cash funnel goes live. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus if you'll decide to pick up email cash funnel through my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your top right corner icon right here, go to purchase history, find email cash funnel among your purchases, click on it, and below the green button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get all my bonuses. These are delivered to you automatically, so you don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. Now guys, again, email cash funnel, pretty amazing. It can show you how to make thousands of dollars, create a real asset online, essentially create a traffic source for yourself that converts into thousands of dollars, and it's less than $10. Pretty crazy. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section on YouTube. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. I hope you guys are safe out there, and I'll be seeing you in the next review video. Ciao.